Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create and save a preset in Premiere Pro so you can reuse your effects easily. So let's dive right in. So I have here a simple translucent text box that I've created earlier using different effects. So for us to be able to go ahead and save this as a preset, we're gonna go ahead and try to right click here onto the effects control, here onto the blank space, and then click on select all. So they should go ahead and highlight all of the applied effects and settings for this one. Then right after, we click again, and there should be an option to save the preset. So if you click onto that, it will ask you to give your preset a name. So for example, this one, shape preset test. And then right after, make sure as well to set the anchor to endpoint, which is this one. This tells Premiere when your animation should start, and then you'll have to click on OK. So this should go ahead and save already your preset. And to reuse this, just go to the effects panel, click here, and here under effects. So we have here the preset. If you go ahead and drop this down, you should be able to see already your newly saved preset. And that's it. You've just created and saved your own custom preset in Premiere Pro. Super simple and a huge time saver. If you want to use this, just simply drag and drop it to any of your files or any of your clips that you just recently imported. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.